Hi, I am gonna do today B170. You can see it's 07 plate, and I am show you the common problem in the car is on the transmission. If you can see here, you can see is showing transmission consult workshop. And if you're gonna diagnose the car, and then you can see is a common problem. These code is coming 793 722 That's the common problem. We are specialist in Mercedes, and we can repair that unit in 3 to 4 hours. If you bring the car in the morning, car ready 1 o'clock. So we not send it anywhere. So other people they take it out and send to the companies. The company take 3 to 5 working days. So if you bring the car in the morning, car ready 1 o'clock, so you can take the car same day. And we will give you the warranty on this one, and we will take it out, repair it, adaptation, torque setting, gearbox oil change, complete job, and you can drive like a brand new car. So I am gonna show you today. I am gonna do that job, and we are in Hounslow near Heathrow Airport in London. So you can contact with me anytime on this number 0740 2536 382. My name is Terry. Thank you. Bye. Okay, you can see here, first you have to drain the oil nut is here and sump nut is here. You need to open all the other bolts, like this one, the Torx bolt is here. Even the whole sub need to take it out, and make sure first you have to remove that connector. Is a red pin is on there. You have to remove that pin, and then you can pull that connector out. Make sure first of that you have to do that one. Okay, now you can see here the wall block is on there. You have to remove that bolts, this one, and 7 bolt is inside, small, look, 7 bolt is on there, and here is 8 bolt is on there. You have to remove all of them, and then the wall block is coming down. You have to press. Okay, now you can see this unit is proper finishing on there and it's repaired. Yeah, so now I am going to install inside the car, and sometime you can see this is the other unit I have, and it's broken the leg from here. You can see this leg is broken. See, you can see here is because of the shipping. The customer sent it to the one company, big company, ECU repair, and they're saying that when they receive, and then the leg was broken, so we can fix as well that one. So now I am gonna fit this unit back, and if you want to do that job, so we can take it out, repair it, adaptation, torque setting, gearbox oil change, gasket change, and complete job 3 to 4 hours. So if you want to do it, bring the car to us, we will do complete job, or send the unit to us, we can repair in 1 hour. You can wait, cup of coffee, your unit will be ready. So you can call 0740 2536 382. Okay, thank you.